Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious yam porridge or yam pottage, whichever way you call it. Yes, look at this deliciousness. If you want to see how I achieved this delicious and healthy yam porridge, keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Julia. Welcome. To all my returning subscribers, you all are amazing. So first, we are going to be peeling our yams. I'm just going to be cutting out my yams for easy peel. Now I'm going to be cutting the yams in cubes for easy boil. You can decide to cut yours in any shape you want. I'm just going to be washing the yams and boiling them. I like adding a ripe plantain to my yam porridge, but this is totally optional. I do it because I like the sweet taste it gives the yam porridge. Now I'm going to be making my sauce for the yam porridge, and here I'm going to be using turkey breast. You can decide to use any protein of your choice. I'm going to be cutting them in small portions. I will be frying my meat with vegetable oil. First, I'm going to be adding onion to the oil for flavor. I will allow it to just simmer for some minutes before adding the meat. Now I'm going to be adding all the spices. First, I'm going to be adding salt, rosemary. I love rosemary in my meat, be it chicken, turkey, or beef. I really love the aroma it gives it. If you've never tried it, I think you should. You will love it. And then I'm going to be adding stock powder, and I'm going to be allowing it to fry before adding our yam. After 6 minutes, our turkey breast is well cooked. And now I'm just going to be adding my pepper mixture. In it I have tomato, scotch bonnet and onion. I allowed it to fry for like 5 minutes, and now is the best time to add your plantain because plantains get very soft easily. And after adding the plantain, I'm going to be adding the boiled yams. Then I'll be adding the stock I got from the turkey breast and some water, and allow it to just boil for 5 minutes till the plantain is cooked and the yams very soft. At this point, I'm just going to be adding kale leaves. This is totally optional. At times I do cook my porridge too without no leaves. But on this day, I decided to add kale leaves because I really like the texture and the taste it gives it. Our yam porridge is ready. Take a look at this deliciousness. And you will all agree with me that it was really easy to make and anyone can make this. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel and you like what you've seen, please do subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it. And to all my returning subscribers, you all are amazing. Thank you for always coming back. Don't forget to put on my notification bell so anytime I post a video, you will be the first to know. Thank you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.